Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing and reviewing the Transformers Siege War for Cybertron Laserbeak and Ravage 2-pack. So here they are in package. You can see there's some nice box art on the top over here. And flip over the back, you can see Ravage and Laserbeak and their Cybertronian modes that look like an 80s cassette. So this is the Spy Patrol for Soundwave. As you can see over here, you can attach them, and I believe, of course, you can put them inside of Soundwave himself. So, okay, let's get this guy, or these guys, unboxed and open it up. Okay, so here's Laserbeak and Ravage outside of the box, and Laserbeak is some kind of Cybertronian bird of some sort, and of course Ravage is some sort of Cybertronian jaguar. Now, Ravage, his Cybertronian beast mode, I'm not liking a lot. But I guess I kind of understand it. I was hoping he'd look a lot more like this. This is Ravage from the Generations Hound from many years back. But I'm guessing, you know, this is an Earth mode transformation, or an Earth type of animal, so to speak. And I guess if this is probably how these animals on Cybertron look like. So if that's the case, then it is what it is. But personally, I'm not too fond of this look, but it's Ravage. And here we have Laserbeak, who looks very much like from the G1 cartoon, with just that visor for face or eyes. Anyway, let's get started with Laserbeak first. Let's put Ravage aside. So here we go. Get some detail shots of Laserbeak. Very nice paint apps on it. Here's on the bottom. So they don't transform into cassettes. They transform into what is it called? According to the instructions, when they're in their alternate form, they become drone armor. So let's go over here. Laserbeak is V1 Sonic Surge drone armor with these stats on it. And Ravage is version 2 Sonic Surge drone armor. Be interesting to see what's the background story behind these drone armor, or Sonic Surge drone armor. And in the instructions, you can see that they attach to Soundwave or other Transformers in the line. Right. So to transform Laserbeak, very simple transformation. Basically, flip this back, flip the head back, fold the wings in, and fold the legs up. And there you go. This is his Sonic armor form, and you can open this or flick it out, and it fits in the little pegs on the different figures. All in all, very nice representation of Laserbeak. But yeah, can't complain about this figure. I like it a lot. Okay, let's go on to Ravage. Let's put Laserbeak aside. Here's Ravage. Now there is some articulation even for both figures, like, but it's mainly due to the transformation. So you have this kind of articulation for the arms. You go up this high, down here, all the way there, and all the way back up to here. For the rear legs, pretty similar. Goes about that high, and this back, and this is basically because you can tuck in. Now with the head, a little bit of articulation, but mainly because it needs to do that to transform. There is no tail. Again, nice detail, nice Decepticon logo on both sides. I like this purple line here. Really gives it a bit more depth. Okay, let's transform him. Transform him into his armor, sonic armor mode. Let's flip his head in. And let us bring this up. Let's flip it around. Put the legs down. And then turn this out. Turn that out. And then we can flip it flat like this. And on the bottom legs here, let's flip it flat like that. There you go. Bring the legs down. And then I'm going to, actually, we gotta flip this first. Put this down. Straighten this out. Then bring this leg in. And then these legs go in. And there you go. Straighten everything out. And there is his sonic armor mode. And like Laserbeak, there is a peg over here. This one was a little tight to get out. If you have a hard time pulling it out, you might have to use some kind of tool or something. Okay. Yeah, that guy is in there real tight. So you have these attachment ports here. Okay, let's get them on. Let's get them on Megatron. So we have Siege Megatron, and as you can see, you can attach to any of the 5mm ports here, like so. And I'm assuming, of course, Soundwave. They can fit in Soundwave's chest when it opens up. Alright, let's get them back into robot mode or animal mode. Okay, in their animal mode or Cybertronian animal mode, Ravage is quite small compared to Megatron, while Laserbeak seems to be sized just right. You can see he's on Megatron's arm here. But I guess that's okay, just because in the vehicle mode or their Cybertronian shield armor, sonic armor mode, they have to be the same size. But here they are next to Voyager and Megatron. Okay, here are some size comparisons with other Transformers from this line. These are the Battle Masters. So, little Cybertronian animal next to Cybertronian animal. They scale actually pretty well together. One is not overly larger or smaller than the other. Here they are next to a Target Master. Here they are next to a Micromaster, another Micromaster. And here they are next to one of the Prime Masters in their Pretender shell. And here they are next to a Headmaster. So scale-wise, I think it works. So all in all, a really great set. I like Ravage a lot. I mean, I like Laserbeak a lot more than Ravage, mainly because you know, I'm so used to seeing Ravage like this, and the difference between Earth mode, Earth Bird Laserbeak and Cybertronian is really just the eyes, I guess. While Ravage, it seems a bit more, you know, in Cybertron, their animals don't have tails, I guess. I don't know. But all in all, it's just really minor. So, but really like the set. Can't wait till Soundwave comes out. I'm hoping they'll do more of these quote Sonic armor / cassette tapes, and I do hope to see a blaster. I mean, that would be awesome if they made a blaster, rewind, eject, frenzy, and rumble. I'd love to see that. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.